Tired of getting bombarded with random Instagram group chats you never asked to join? Today, I'll show you exactly how to take back control and stop those unwanted additions. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. This opens up a side menu. From the side menu, select Settings. It's usually located at the bottom of the menu. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize all your notification preferences. Now, scroll down and look for Messages and tap on it. This section controls how you receive message-related notifications. Here's the magic. Find the option labeled Group Requests. You'll likely see it's currently set to everyone, meaning anyone can add you to a group. Tap on Group Requests. You'll now see a few options. You can choose People You Follow, which means only people you follow can add you to groups. Or, for ultimate peace and quiet, select off. This completely prevents anyone from adding you to group chats without your permission. That's it. Now you have full control over who can add you to Instagram group chats. Enjoy a cleaner, less cluttered Instagram experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Instagram tips.